Feel uninvited.
X protocol is a decentralized system functioning through the smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, where you can earn up to 450 plus Ethereum by participating in the network. You can call this as a donation system, metric system, or Ethereum earning system. X protocol has developed the system by using advanced technology, and Ethereum blockchain system is much simpler, more profitable, secured, and 100% transparent with the decentralized blockchain peer-to-peer Ethereum earning. Now in this video I will tell you that how you can earn up to 450 plus Ethereum very easily with the help of X protocol, and I will tell you the main work and the usage of the X protocol, and you can start this work and definitely you will make some good money. And at this time we all knew one thing about the Ethereum, that right now the price of one Ethereum is about as per my own knowledge is $390. So definitely you will make some plenty of Ethereum by using the X protocol. So stay tuned with us if you want to know something more about the X protocol. And before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now the best thing about the X protocol, which I love the most, 24/7 support, accessible to everyone. What is the meaning of the accessible to everyone? As the team is saying accessible to everyone, so anyone can use the platform by just investing 0.1 Ethereum and be the part of life-changing platform. Instant payouts. All the Ethereum distributed to the referrals. The smart contract does not hold any Ethereum. Now the next thing, no time frame. It is not like this that you have to wait for 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, 2 months. No. Basically, X protocol has a designed system in a way that your activated level won't expire till you complete the last level. The best and easiest way to earn 450 plus Ethereum. Simple plans, easy to achieve a goal. With a small team, everyone can repeat the earnings. At this time, X protocol team, what the team is doing at this time, basically X protocol team always emphasize on the customer security. That's why this the whole platform is 100% scam free. The reason is X protocol deployed a self-executing system that is entirely a new thing, and also you can say entirely a secure thing. The best part of this is this, that the blockchain that exists and even the creators of the smart contract will not be able to delete or change. So it's a great thing about this entire platform of X protocol. Now here you can see the main contract address of the X protocol, and secondly, if you want to sign up on this platform, it's entirely very easy, and here you can see all the major levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. In the level 1, in the starting, only 2 members, and first of all you have to pay 0.1 Ethereum. In short, basically you will get full security of your funds, because you would be required to confirm all the transactions in the system, which ensures safety of your funds. They also distribute the tokens in the metrics plan. It is entirely a good thing to know each and everything about the metrics plan also. Here you can see all the plans and the pools which are available over here. Now the best thing about the metrics plan is this, that with a long-term vision of developing the tokens into e-commerce or the gaming industry, the tokens would be distributed for 14 months, and after 14 months the regulation of tokens would come into picture. The project also has additional twists and turns to keep the community growing. On the earned amount, the project holds 15% of admin fees. Only and only 15% of the admin fee, and that would purely be utilized to grow the community. It is not like this that the team is going to take that 15% in their own pocket. They are going to utilize that 15% on the growing of the community. Now the best part, if you want to sign up on the main platform, it is entirely very easy. You just have to click on the registration icon, and here you can see the main option. First of all, what what type of referral ID which I am going to, okay, I will share my own link. So simply here, okay, here basically come the referral ID. Then you can simply click on the register. Now when you are going to click over here, a simple phase of the MetaMask will open in front of you. Here I'm going to show you that very thing. It's entirely very important. And here, if you don't have MetaMask and the Trust Wallet, simply you can download it from the main platform of the X protocol. And now I'm going to sign up on the main platform. Now when I'm going to click on the register, now here you can see the option. Okay, I'm not getting it, that why I at this time why I'm not getting the option of the MetaMask. Okay, anyways, you will get the option of the MetaMask over here, and then you have to connect your wallet. And be sure one thing, that your wallet has minimum 0.1 Ethereum and some extra Ethereum for the fee. So definitely you can connect your directly MetaMask, and simply you can utilize all the main things and all the levels. It is entirely very easy. You can make plenty of money, and every day they are giving the withdrawals because it is 100% decentralized. No one is the owner, so it's a great thing for you to make some good Ethereum at this time. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.